We are welcoming the Burmans with a travel to Bacolod for 4 hours. Nakaka 4 hours na kami.
22 kilometers daw ito lahat mula sa Pantalan. Tuloyin mo yun. Kaya nga sabi ko lang, sawa talaga tayo.
Starfish! Hey guys, good morning everyone. So, this is our second day. Technically the second day here in Siquijor. So, look at how beautiful this island is. And you know what? Nasa harapan lang to ng bahay ng mga grandparents ko. Can you see that? This is Siquijor, you all guys. I couldn't believe I am seeing this in my bare eyes. Grabe, I'm ready to swim. Oh my goodness. I was actually thinking na sabi ko, pupunta kang punta ka din sa mga tourist spot. Pero, parang lahat dito tourist spot. Later daw pupunta kami ng Boracay, parang ang tawag doon. May tinatawag sila dito ng Little Boracay. So, bababa ako. Like what I've said earlier, it's so beautiful here that I can actually endure yung araw. Kasi maaga pa naman. Anong oras na ba? It's only 6:32 in the morning here in Siquijor. It was the very, very longest land travel that I've had in my entire life. Nagsumakay kami ng bus, Ceres bus to be specific. Ang bayad ay 510. Imagine kung ilang tulog na yung nagawa namin. Although hindi siya comfy na matulog dahil nga biyahe. Parang mga putol-putol na nap. After that, nag-travel pa kami from Dumaguete Port going to Siquijor na here through Anica Star. Para silang mga maliliit na barko. And yun lang yung way para makapunta ka dito from Dumaguete Port. I think Anica Star is the cheapest boat going here. It's only 304 pesos per person. Ngayon pala, hindi naman super liit pero compared to other boats here na pumupunta sa Siquijor, siya na yung pinakamaliit. Tapos, kahapon may low pressure area na in-announce. Actually, nag-notify pa nga yung NDRRMC sa akin na may low pressure dito. Grabe. So, yung wave kahapon para kaming nasa aeroplane version 2 na mas malala. Ganun. So, it was a very, very long but memorable journey. It was my first time flying. It was my first time riding a barko. Yes. And this is a memory to remember.
Oy! Very good. Saan ka galing? Saan ka galing ko ay? Hindi maingay kagabi. Yung isa tayo lang doon sa nonchalant.
Hey guys, magto-toothbrush ako. Tingnan nyo. Wow.
Doon. 3 kilometro galing sa highway.
Ganito na yung toothpaste natin doon.
May toothpaste ako.
May toothpaste ka, madami?
Bili ka na.
Ayun kung nga mula kaya wala sira na yun.
Ay,
Avocado.
kala ko
Avocado.
Ito yung ating sinasakyan. Pupunta tayo ng beach. Nakakalimutan ko anong pangalan. Wait lang. Dalaw.
20 pesos po.
20 lang po?
No. 50 each. Tapos may parking fee po tayo na 20 pesos sa motor.
Nga aman.
Kasi ako ang tour guide.
Ay, ganun yun. Walang bayad kasi tour guide. The water is so blue and it's well maintained. Hello po. Morning po. Ang payment po dito ay 50 pesos lang. Tapos may parking fee na 20 pesos. Grabe. And the little island is so beautiful as well. It's man-made. Inayos nila yun, Col, no? Knowing na high tide pa ngayon, so mataas talaga yung tubig. So yung parang yung white sand hindi masyadong na-highlight. Look. Di nakikita yung white sand, pero later daw bababa daw yung tubig. We're gonna go upstairs. Oh my god. Light blue yung dito, tapos lang dark. Baka that means that's deeper than here. Go into that. Grabe, sobrang tarik. But the view is so worth it. Ay, so scary. Let's go. This view is so amazing. This one is for the books. Sobrang ganda.
Oh, yan yung bako.
Yan. Dito? Dito.
Hi! Welcome to Salagdoong.
Welcome to Salagdoong. Parang nasa Baguio kami.
Ano na? Plastada na?
Okay, let's go!
Karating na po tayo ngayon. Maliligo daw tayo. 7 kilometers. Ayun, nag-single lang kami. Di kami naligo dun sa beach. Ay, dun sa resort. Dito na lang kami maliligo. Guys, just so you know, backyard lang ito ng mga communities dito sa Siquijor. And look how amazing is the view, diba? White sand beach. Grabe, super underrated ang Siquijor. So amazing. It looks like I'm in a private resort here.
Problema na lang mo.
Kaya gwanta mo angat sa...
Angat dito ay yung hagdan. Na naman hagdan.
Lakad lang?
Oh, nindot. Uy, na-icon.
Guys, tingnan nyo. May featured na plaque. Ayun na. Pumunta po dito si Erwan Yusuf. Yung may-ari po ng feater na yan, yung blue po. Pumunta po siya?
Nakapunta dito basta mga artista nakapunta dito sila ni
Andrew? Biyahe ni Drew?
Biyahe ni Drew.
Wow, that's amazing. Dami na nag-feature dito, guys. Sabi ni Tita Lilibet, yung may-ari, pumunta na dito si Biyahe ni Drew and si Erwan Yusuf. Nakita ko lang yung parang plaque ng featured na YouTube channel ni Erwan. We're gonna roam around Siquijor, so I only wore a very comfy outfit. Susunod na ako gagawa ng contents for Instagram.
suot ko lang is shirt, basic shirt, jorts, and my classic black slippers. Little details. Yes, so sabi nung tito ko, uuwi na daw kami mga gabi na. Mukhang maliit lang daw yung CKR pero matatagalan talaga. Bye. The road here, guys, is very picturesque itself. Look at the sight down there. It's very, very deep. Seeing this in my bare eyes is just amazing. It's jaw-dropping. Our car. Kaya mo yan, ma'am?
Kahingal.
Wow.
Bueno, parang parais.
Nakakahingal. Pero sige. Actually, this is the unseen part of Siquijor. Alam nila lahat ng beaches, alam nila lahat ng mga tourist spot. But this one, I don't think it's that popular. I know that this is gonna be worth it. Feeling ko, sobrang tagal na nito. The stairs are pretty decent. Hindi maputik. Siguro stairs na lang na maintained. Look at that. This is a leg day. This is what we're getting here. A whole tower to climb up. In here you will see interesting sight. Grabe. Siguro ito ay pinupuntahan ng mga tourists kaya may mga pupuan din. Look at down there. We're in the highest peak of the place. We're gonna try to climb this up now. Okay. Kaya natin to. Okay. We're almost there. I'm so tired. I'm not a sporty person. Kaya siguro ganito. Feeling ko kailangan ko nang mag-start mag-workout. Look at the view. We're not even at the highest part. This is kind of scary, but we're gonna do this. This is a little scary. Oh. I just hope that my sunscreen is enough for this heat.